Very, very crucial because light and only light dispels darkness. These women have actually been working for the past 3 to 4 years. This idea, when it came up about 3 to 4 years ago, they then, of course, put in a lot of effort. ऐसा प्रोडक्ट आज की डेट में इस मार्केट में है नहीं और ये पहला मेक इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट है which is definitely going to revolutionize the way life is lived indoors. I'm going to request Anandji and the directors to take center stage along with person behind the product. And I'm sure they are not going to stop here. There are a lot of innovative products that they have been thinking about. This, of course, happens to be the first of its kind right here. Urbox.
Value product. The world is changing, a new normal is emerging, and our entire campaign has been aligned to it. Our first job was to educate people about indoor air quality, which we have done successfully with teaser ads running across various digital media platforms. Thanks to a highly experienced advertising and marketing team, we have been advertising campaign which does justice to our unique product. Beginning today, we can say with confidence that the product is bound to see an exponential growth once people realize its true value. One more thing, we are proud of this sheer aesthetic value of the product with its sleek design and quite functioning. Yes, Urbox Smart Sensible Oxygen Generator is a truly revolutionary product. At the end, we would certainly like to say to everyone, breathe healthy, live healthy. Jai Hind.
Especially in the cities, we felt the need to come up with a solution. Talk goes about policies, but what about taking action? Why wait for someone else to take the first step? While traveling by air, we noticed how aeroplanes maintain the oxygen level. Then it came to our mind, why not design? That is where we all came together as a leadership team to brainstorm and come up with this unique product. We came across so many surprising facts that we tend to usually ignore. For example, an air conditioner just circulates the same stale air in an enclosed space. Or for example, an air purifier just circulates in a limited space. In both these cases, what our body is deprived of is life-giving oxygen. What if we could assure a fresh supply of oxygen in the room? Thus, slowly but surely, the idea of Urbox Smart Sensible Oxygen Generator came to life. With a team of innovators, each highly experienced in their fields with a zeal to create something unique, we gradually progressed towards designing this unique device. Then we progressed towards the manufacturing phase. It's been a journey for us from the drawing board to today's launch. Today, we can say with pride that yes, we took the first step in taking pollution head on, and very proudly we say that it is made in India. Breathe healthy, live healthy. Jai Hind.
के बारे में है जो हमें दूसरों से अलग करता है जब आपके पास अर्बक स्मार्ट सेंसिबल ऑक्सीजन जनरेटर जैसे एक अद्वितीय उत्पाद को सफल ऊर्जा और प्रेरणा होती है, तो आप जानते हैं कि दुनिया आपके ऊपर नज़र रखेगी। हाँ, हम गर्व से कहते हैं कि यह एक मेक इन इंडिया उत्पाद है। इंडोर पॉल्यूशन के कारण लोगों को पीड़ा शुरू हुई है, खासकर बुजुर्ग और बच्चों को। एकमात्र उत्तम ऑक्सीजन जनरेटर ये लंबी अवधि के लिए अच्छे स्वास्थ्य में निवेश है। मैं सिर्फ अपनी आंखें बंद करती हूँ और कल्पना करती हूँ कि कैसे उत्पाद पूरे भारत में लाखों लोगों के लिए एक फ़र्क पड़ेगा। हाँ, हमने अनुसंधान और विकास में भारी निवेश किया है, लेकिन हम जानते हैं कि यह भुगतान करेगा। जब आपके पास एक विश्व स्तरीय उत्पाद होता है, जब आप लोगों का विश्वास और सम्मान अर्जित करते हैं, तो यह संतुष्टि का एक अलग स्तर होता है। हमने सबसे प्रतिष्ठित राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रमाण पत्र अर्जित करने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी है। मुझे विश्वास है कि अर्बॉक्स बहुत जल्द एक घरेलू नाम बन जाएगा। बरसों पहले की तरह कोई कल्पना नहीं कर सकता कि किसी को उसी तरह से मिनरल वाटर खरीदना होगा। और हमेशा याद रखें कि ऑक्सीजन जीवन का प्रतीक है, जैसे महिलाएं हैं। ब्रीथ हेल्दी, लिव हेल्दी। जय हिंद।